welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on probably the most complex rug I will make for a while. Here's the rug. It is a Rolex, obviously. And yeah, it's very detailed. These lines were so hard to draw because I could barely see them on my projector. I got a huge package of New Zealand wool. So the whole rug is going to be New Zealand wool. Very exciting. I love working with New Zealand wool. While I work, I'm going to listen to a podcast because I'll go crazy if I don't listen to something while working. I really like listening to Smartless. It genuinely makes me laugh. Very entertaining. Even the ads are entertaining. Love Anything Goes by Emma Chamberlain, Office Ladies. I like Bachelor podcasts like The Vile Files. Don't judge me. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to a podcast with my noise canceling headphones and let's see how much we can bust out.
Such a long time since I felt this good on my own, on my own, on my own, on my own,
Alright, it's day 2 of working on the Rolex rug. So this is the exact watch I'm making, but since I couldn't find a picture of it straight on because it's so rare and specific, I had to base it off a very similar, almost exactly the same watch, but it was a little different because the watch doesn't have screw down pushers. So my dad and I were looking at the frame this morning and we realized that the pushers that I drew on weren't screw downs. So right now, I'm just working on freehand drawing them into what they should look like. So that one looks pretty good. This one I'm struggling with because I don't want it to be too close to here. So just working on that.
The voiceover.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to see that rock finish.
Me too. That probably looks so confusing and awful, but that's obviously not how I'm gonna tuft it, and it makes sense to me, so fixed it. I haven't had breakfast yet, but my mom's bringing me home a bagel, so I'm very excited for that. And I'm really excited to make this rug. Like, I woke up really excited to make it. Yay!
Pictures.
Someone commented on my on my post yesterday because I posted on my story, and then they commented on a post of mine and they were like, hey, as a watch enthusiast, I suggest you put Daytona somewhere written on it. And like, I know why he's saying that because it's technically a Daytona, but this specific watch doesn't have Daytona on it. So
Cosmograph, it says like, and that's the thing in watch collecting, the difference between one model and the other, or the difference between $1 million watch and $100,000 watch could be literally the fact that it says Daytona or not.
Yeah.
So if he says, I want this one, and then if you just add the red letter Daytona, how it usually is, it's a different watch.
Exactly.
Like it will be literally, and as someone who is an actual collector, they'll be like, no, you sent me the wrong freaking reference number. That's
exactly. And so I told him that I'm actually basing this off of a very specific rare watch, and I gave him the link, and he was like, oh my god, that's so cool.
Yeah, exactly. Well, that a correct example will ever exist.
Okay, so I've been tufting for several hours. This is what I've got done so far. This was the hardest part, the little lines and then filling it in with black. That took me several hours to do. So I've got that done, and then I got these 3 lines done, which is kind of like the reflection of the inside of, I don't even know how to explain it, a reflection sort of, because of the domed glass, and then it's reflecting the inside. So yeah, I think it's looking really good so far. I've only had breakfast and it's 5:43. That's not good, so I'm gonna eat something and probably get back to it in an hour or so. But I wanna watch Love is Blind. Really don't have that much left, but numbers and letters are always very difficult for me and they take a while, so that's probably gonna add some significant time. Alright, I just finished the rug. Took 3 days of tufting. Okay, well, I didn't finish the rug, I just finished tufting the rug. So tomorrow I'm going to glue it and then work on backing and shaving. my god. Oh, I am in so much pain. Look at my hands right now. I have blisters all over my hands from carving. I also have a splitting headache. Let me just complain for a second. I just have a splitting headache. Every time I carve, I have to wear a mask so I don't breathe in the fibers. And to keep the mask on, I keep my mouth open. Like, I don't mean to do this, but I do. I keep my mouth open while I have the mask on like this, like, so that my jaw starts absolutely killing me because I'm just like, the entire time. The hard thing with a rug this big and this detailed is I could go on and on and on, like carving out details and nitpicking. Like, I could do it for months. I could just, you know? But I have to know when to stop and when to be like, okay, it's done. It looks great. It doesn't need any more nitpicking. Like, because then I just like overdo it. Let's get back. I'm double masking it. Here is the finished rug. It was definitely the hardest rug I've ever had to make so far. But honestly, I think it's my favorite rug so far that I've ever made. And I want to make more watch rugs, especially in this size. Like, it's so fun. Rolex, if you ever want me to make you a rug, let's do it. Or if any other watch brand wants me to make their watch into a rug, I've got you. Look how cool this is. Now I'm just gonna take a bunch of pictures and videos of it and then wrap it up and ship it off to its owner. I'm so grateful that he commissioned me to make this for him, and the fact that this is going to a watch collector and enthusiast is perfect. I can make almost anything into a rug, so comment below some of your craziest ideas and we'll see if we can make them. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at happy.rugs. I have way more videos there of me making rugs and it's really fun. We have a fun little community. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos this year, so be sure to follow along. I've also linked my website in the description of the video, so you can go grab your own happy rug and join the Happy Rug Club. That is all for today. I absolutely loved making this rug with you guys. I hope you have a happy and amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.